Oh, hello RJ. You're just the person I was looking for.
Oh, wow, what is this?
This is an activity box by a brand called Active Dabba. It's an exclusive online store and they curate these activity boxes based on themes such as aeromodelling, art and craft, etc. And they promise to replace a child's screen time with good old art and craft activities.
This is the Art and Craft combo box by Active Dabba and is designed for children over 5 years of age. It contains various activity kits such as canvas key holder kit, keychain kit, Coro glider kit and balsa glider kit. The box also contains surprise gifts.
At just Rs 4.99, this kit promises to improve focus and concentration, kindle design abilities, and also act as a stress buster. Wow, I'm really excited about opening this up and trying out few activities.
To avail a discount of Rs 99 on this activity box, follow the link given in the description box below. When you open up the box, this is what you find. There are 4 separate packets of each activity and a surprise game. There is a box that contains materials that can be used for all kits. There are several instruction booklets. There is also a fidget spinner, a ruler and a small packet of okra seeds. The box, which needs to be commonly shared, contains 6 paints, 1 bottle of white acrylic paint, a glue stick and a brush. Let's open up the canvas key holder kit. The kit contains a canvas board, 2 flat rocks, some googly eyes and decorative stickers, few thick paper pieces, a mold kit and a super glue. Let's begin by painting the surface of the canvas, using the thick paper to spread the paint. This will give a beautiful uneven texture. After washing and drying the rocks, apply a thick layer of white acrylic paint on them. Allow one side to dry completely before painting on the other side. Now, using a permanent marker, draw a design of your choice on the rock. Using the paints provided in the kit, color the rocks as per your design. Now let's use the mold kit to make the hooks for the key holder. First, blend the 2 pieces provided in the kit by rolling them together till it turns completely white. Divide the mold into 4 pieces, making 2 balls and 2 cylindrical hooks. Now flatten the balls to make flat plates. Join the hook to the flat plate like this and allow it to dry for 3 to 4 hours. Once dry, paint the hooks in the color of your choice. Now that all pieces of the canvas key holder are ready, it's time to assemble them. Allow 1 hour for the glue to dry completely before use. Let's proceed to our next activity, which is the balsa wood glider kit. The kit contains wooden pieces, sandpaper, a piece of clay and super glue. Let's begin. First, smooth out the edges of the wooden pieces using the sandpaper. Following the instructions in the manual, attach the pieces together using the super glue. Now balance the center of gravity with the clay provided in the kit. The glider is now ready.
Wow, I really think that this box delivers what it promised. These activities were fun and creative and also extremely therapeutic. We showed you 2 of these activities, but all of them are so much fun to do. And for $4.99, I do believe that this box gives you value for money. There's so many materials in here which can be used over and over again. For more such curated boxes, don't forget to check out the website www.activedabba.com. Hey RJ, where are you off to?
To play with my glider, of course. If you like this video, then subscribe and give a thumbs up.
And don't forget to click the bell button to get notified each time we post a new video.